Good morning. My name is Steve Valentine, the inventor of the Hug Spoon. I'm here today to demonstrate the difference or comparison of the Hug Spoon and the conventional spoon. Now, the Hug Spoon is not meant to replace the conventional spoon. The conventional spoon is perfect for eating off of horizontal surfaces. But when you introduce the spoon into a cup or a bowl, you'll see the inefficiencies, that the movements, the multiple movements that I have to make. But if you now look at the Hug Spoon is far more efficient. You just scoop in and lift up. It's far more efficient. And now if you put the conventional spoon back in, you see you have to go down and dip at an angle and you get less product for the spoon. Now there's patent pending on this. That's the patent pending number. So basically, and I'll read this to you, the comparative efficiency of the Hug Spoon versus the standard spoon. The conventional spoon, when placed inside the bowl or cup, typically rests at an unusual 45-degree angle. The angle resting position causes several inefficiencies. The spoon bowl, that's the bottom of the spoon. When they say spoon bowl, this is the bottom of the spoon bowl. This is the bottom of the spoon bowl. The spoon bowl does not sit flat at the bottom of the dish, making it harder to scoop liquids or semi-liquids cleanly. The handle often protrudes awkwardly, increasing chances of tipping or slipping. The user must reorient the spoon multiple times during use, reducing comfort and efficiency. The Hug Spoon design directly addresses these inefficiencies through its engineered angle. The bowl lies perfectly flat at the bottom of the dish, maximizing scooping efficiency and stability. The neck rises 45 degrees, or the neck rises naturally at a 45-degree angle, aligning it with the wall of the bowl or cup, eliminating waste and space. Handle transitions back to a 180-degree angle at the rim, ensuring ergonomic resting position for the hand and preventing spills. This configuration ensures that the Hug Spoon rests naturally inside the bowl, hugging the dish walls rather than fighting against them. As a result, the Hug Spoon provides more efficiency, scooping with less wrist movement, a natural resting angle that reduces the tipping hazard, greater user comfort, particularly for children, elderly, and those with limited hand strength. So I'll go back and show you once again. And a note: the conventional spoon is not meant to replace, the Hug Spoon is not meant to replace the conventional spoon that lays flat and is perfect for horizontal surfaces. But when it comes to the bowl, once again, or the cup, I'll show you here, it has to go in at an angle and it sits there and it's harder and there's more hand movement. But if you put the Hug Spoon back in the bowl, it sits flat and it's just a straight more now. And the whole user experience, I've tried this spoon, and the whole user experience, it's like it adds to when you are eating comfort food like soups and chilies. It just adds to that comfort. If you try this, I'm pretty sure you'll be amazed and you'll enjoy it. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.